In order to go live on Facebook, you really need to consider the following things: studio space, high-speed internet, computer, streaming software, lighting, video camera, and microphone. You can learn more about each of these as well as see our recommendations for equipment by clicking the blog post linked in the video description. You could just use your phone, but this tutorial is for those wanting to up their quality and stream from their computer. With that covered, let's go through the steps of going live on Facebook using OBS Studio. We just did an in-depth video tutorial for OBS if you need help setting it up. Now let's get on Facebook and head to the page you want to stream to and find the Create Live button. Pressing it will take you to the Stream Setup tab of the Facebook Live interface. You will be most interested in the Live Stream Setup box. Here you will need to copy the stream key to paste into OBS settings. Additionally, it's not a bad idea to check the Use a Persistent Stream Key option, which means that you won't have to go through the OBS setup each and every time you do a new live stream. With the key copied, head into the OBS settings. You will need to go into the Stream tab, paste the stream key into the appropriate field, and click Apply. With that saved and applied, you're ready to go live on Facebook. The only other choice that you have to make before you go live on Facebook is where you want to broadcast your stream to and who you want to broadcast it to. To the left of your screen in the Facebook Live Stream Manager, there's a number of drop-down menus and selection buttons. The top drop-down lets you choose where to stream between your pages, groups, and your own timeline. Depending on what you choose, you'll get another drop-down for you to pick the primary destination for your stream. They all work in the same terms of streaming, but make sure you have permission from any group or page that you choose to actually broadcast to. In addition to your primary destination, you could also cross-post to multiple pages and groups at the same time. Those are chosen below the drop-downs, and when you pick one of these, you can choose multiple options from a multi-select modal in the middle of your screen. With that done, it's time to choose audiences. For most people, this is a non-issue. Most of your streams are going to be unrestricted. However, that's not the case for everyone. Depending on the kind of content you stream or the places you're streaming to, permissions may need to be adjusted. In addition to the locations, you also have an age drop-down. If public is selected, then it's an all ages open stream anyone can attend. You can, however, choose from a number of options. If you made it through all of that, you're ready to go live on Facebook. Just click Start Streaming on OBS and you're all set. And there you go. You now know how to stream to Facebook. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more content. With that said, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.